We're working on the Navion TeeVee and checking for leaks. We got a leak in the skylight right about there. I can feel the water and it soaked the bed. Now we've figured out how the TeeVee works and that it is working. And the antenna and the amplifier is tremendous. It's got like 62 channels here off the antenna. And now we gotta try to remount this bad. Yach! I'm telling you, this is hard. I think Zach is doing the hard thing. There's 2 screws in the top, and then there's 6 screws that go directly into the wall, like wood screws. And I don't know, I don't know if this is the best design in the world. After much effort, screaming, crying, saying a few choice words, bloody knuckles, sore back, sweaty butts, you name it, we got it in. It works, but it doesn't look that good. And hopefully it'll stay in place when we go down the road.
Depicting Spock's
and we even got it
I'd be more interested in the scene depicting Spock's
on the
conception.
speakers.
Oh, please. For Vulcans, made...
Mostly, I'm more interested in having it so that we could keep abreast of local news. The missus says, yeah, we can get that on our computer and TV, or computer and phones, why do we need that? And I said, well, because sometimes broadcast news is probably the best, most current. So if something were really happening, we need to know about it.